This is documenting CNC Wizard settings for 1998 B12 Citizen Swiss lathe, and in particular the machine setup parameters and related to the RS-232 in particular. But there are a few things on this main screen here which I found are needed when it comes to uploading programs. Even though this is only a single $ single stream machine, it does not use a $1, and so you need to check this does not use dollar markers, otherwise the CNC Wizard will say there's a mismatch between the type of machine. And so then I've got some other stuff set here, and then the RS-232 settings. The cable I have, I'll put a link to it in the description here, but it comes up on COM7. Baud rate is 4800, even parity, data bits 7 and stop bits are 2. We've got the X on, X off set. And then this is important on the end of block sequence. This is basically kind of end of line. It's not a carriage return line feed, it's just carriage, it's just a line feed, which is ASCII 10. And then the start and end transmission sequence are ASCII 37s. Program number, I just have it set to letter O, and our transmit packets are 1 byte. And then the other thing I needed to set was that, or uncheck this, is that when uploading a program, wait for the signal. I don't think that there is a signal that comes, at least not that I could tell, so I turned this off. So then when I initiate the upload from the B12 side, then I start sending from the CNC Wizard side.